ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्तिः शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। ॐ अभ्यासाष्टात्रिंशत्। We've seen already lyap pratyaya. Samasene पूर्वे त्वो lyap. पठित्वा लिखित्वा गमित्वा अगत्वा etc. This is all त्वा प्रत्यय. किन्तु त्वा प्रत्यय न भवति यत्र 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 डैश तत्र तत्र त्वा प्रत्यय नास्ति। किं भविष्यति?
यत्र यत्र अव्यय अस्ति उपस्च अव्यय च उपसर्ग च छुई प्रत्यय अस्ति।
अव्यय वा any of them
अव्यय वा उपसर्ग वा
छुई प्रत्यय वा
अस्ति तत्र 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 त्वा प्रत्यय नास्ति।
सत्यं, बहु सम्यक्।
ल्यप् प्रत्यय अस्ति।
ल्यप् प्रत्यय अस्ति। अपि च यत्र यत्र नयपूर्व नय समासः अस्ति तत्र तत्र ल्यप् प्रत्यय न भविष्यति। दैट आल्सो यू कैन से। धातु से पहले नय हो तो नहीं। यहाँ पे दिस दे हैव गिवन दिस वन, नय हो तो नहीं। अस्तु। देन वी सॉ ह्रस्वस्य पीति कृति तुक् इन आगत्य, संहृत्य, प्रकृत्य, all these shabdas. Takara has come from ह्रस्वस्य किति पिति तुक्। तुक् आगम अस्ति अत्र। अस्तु। And then we saw Laghu Guru also. Laghu Guru, in Anushtup Chanda we had seen. Laghu are which three aksharas are Laghu?
A, E, U.
Satyam. A, E, U.
हाँ. So hrasva means U minus.
हाँ, Satyam. Other than R in hrasva, A, E, U. And all dirgha plus visarga, repa, everything is Guru. Which is not Laghu or Guru?
Visarga.
Visarga is Guru. Like if I say
even Anant is Guru.
Guru. There is nothing which is neither Laghu or Guru.
It's not. Okay, this is Swamiji's style question.
Yes.
No. Now you have to say Ashwala style.
Adhishayate ka plural as Swamiji ne पूछा था.
हाँ.
Ashwala style.
There is nothing that is either neither Guru or Laghu. Everything is either Laghu or Guru only. So EU is Laghu. All others are Guru. So in Anushtup Chanda, fifth akshar will always be Laghu, sixth will always be Guru, and seventh will be Vaikalpika. In first pada it is Guru, second pada it is Laghu. We had seen this. This is of course the basic, not the Vipula variant. We will see later also, other if there is some question etc. we can see again, no problem. Now we are come to Lyap Pratyaya. Lyap Pratyaya Rupa, this upasargas will come. No need to get confused with upasargas, because in the beginning, Pat Dhatu is something, but because of some upasarga it will become something else. Lik is something, because of ut it will become something else. This way we don't have to think. We can just say most of the time, sam, pra, ut, anu, all of these, most of the time they will be in the same thing only, with little bit of emphasis or change etc. So no need to get very confused. It will be quite evident, quite obvious most of these will be. Astu. प्रथमः पाठं सम्पठ्य लेखम् उल्लिख्य सुखम् अनुभूय परीक्षाम् उत्तीर्य रामोऽत्रागतः किं भविष्यति अर्थः हिंदी अथवा इंग्लिश
पाठ
हाँ
को पढ़कर लेख को लिखकर सुख को अनुभव कर परीक्षा को उत्तीर्ण कर परीक्षा को पार होकर राम यहाँ आए हैं.
सत्यम बहु सम्यक. एंड संपठ्य यू कैन से सम्यक पठ्य मतलब अच्छी प्रकार से वैसे भी बोल सकते हैं संपठ्य. एंड बट अदरवाइज यू कैन कीप एस द सेम. जैसे अनुभूय दिस विल चेंज द मीनिंग राइट. भूय अनुभूय अनुभूय एक्सपीरियंस भूय इज नॉट एक्सपीरियंस. सो सम प्लेसेस देयर इज वैकल्पिक अर्थ अस्ति किंतु संपठ्य उल्लिख्य इति अत्र अस्मिन् वैकल्पिक अत्र इति नास्ति. सत्यं राममाहूय.
Can you please explain अनुभूय शब्द? I missed what you meant.
अनुभव हाँ
सुखम को अनुभव किया.
हाँ सुख को अनुभव करके.
ओ या भूय का अर्थ यहाँ पे बदल गया है अनु लगाने से.
हाँ सत्यं. किंतु संपठ्य उल्लिख्य इति सर्वे विकल्प नास्ति इति मुख्य अस्ति.
It's just enhancing the words without changing the meaning.
Correct. अस्तु. उत्तीर्य also there is change because तीर्य is to cross. उत्तीर्य अत्र pass. So little change is there but not great change.
एग्जाम का रिवर पास हो गया.
हाँ तो वैसे ही एग्जाम का रिवर पास विल नॉट मेक सेंस. एग्जाम का रिवर को क्रॉस कर कौन सी एग्जाम ये वी आर मेकिंग अ मेटाफर एटसेट्रा. परीक्षा इज लाइक दिस सागर एटसेट्रा नॉट लाइक दैट. परीक्षा मुत्तीर्य पासिंग द परीक्षा अत्र. अस्तु. द्वितीय राममाहूय सम्यक् विचार्य च गुरुः पृष्टवान् किं भविष्यति.
राम को बुलाकर
हाँ.
सम्यक रूप से विचार करके गुरु ने पूछा.
सत्यं बहु सम्यक्. पृष्टवान् कस्मिन् प्रत्यये.
वतु प्रत्यय.
पृष्टवान् कस्मिन् लकार अस्ति प्रथम कस्मिन् काल.
लकार लंग लकार.
लंग लकार करेक्ट. But Vatup will not be in lung, right?
Prishtah is a pratyaya.
हाँ.
Then one how?
The idea is correct, but not Vatup. It is called Ktavatu.
Not Shatu.
Ktavatu प्रत्यय है. Ktavatu निष्ठा ना. हाँ यहाँ पे ktavatu प्रत्यय है ना. भूतकाल. गुरु पृष्ठवान. गुरु आस्ट. पृष्ठवान भूतकाल. सब ktavatu निष्ठा प्रत्यय. वाचम उच्चार्य शुचम संत्यज्य. हाँ ऑल दिस इति सर्वे किं भविष्यति.
वाचम वाणी को उच्चारण करके.
हाँ.
शुचम संत्यज्य. Here some is becoming ulta. So here शुचम as in शुचिता को एम्ब्रेस करके को अपना कर वेदों को अध्ययन करके ऋचाओं का उच्चारण करके गुरु को करके गुरु प्राप्त हुए. बट संत जी आई थिंक इट्स दिस वन सम इज मेकिंग इट उल्टा. लाइक द सेंस इज सेइंग दैट ही शुड और दैट पर्सन शुड थिंक ऑफ इन दैट केस त्यज्य वुड.
यहाँ पे संत्यज्य विल जस्ट बी सम्यक त्यज्य. जैसे संन्यास बोलते हैं ना सम्यक न्यास दैट वे सम्यक.
but शुचिता he should take up, no? I mean शौच.
No, here it is शोक ना शुचम.
Okay. I am thinking of it.
हाँ शोक छोड़कर वैसे बोले. हाँ गिविंग अप शोकम मोह दैट वे. वाचम उच्चार्य दैट इज करेक्ट. शुचन संत्यज्य विल बी शोक को छोड़कर गुरुः प्राप्तः. सो गुरुः प्राप्तः. गुरुः कस्मिन् विभक्ति अस्ति.
प्रथमा.
प्राप्तः
is also prathama.
Pratyaya?
Ta pratyaya.
Kta pratyaya. But guru prapta means guru is doing all this or somebody is going to guru?
Somebody is doing and guru is then attained.
No, I read it as if you do all this, you will get guru.
Any other guesses? Both are half guesses. We had seen. Okay, first we see what kind of vachya it is. It is
गुरु प्राप्त होते हैं.
हाँ. So is it kartrivachya, karmavachya, bhavavachya? What vachya is it?
कर्मवाच्य. कर्तृ नहीं है, प्राप्त होते हैं.
कर्तृवाच्य और भाववाच्य.
So there is.
ये सब करने से गुरु प्राप्त होते हैं. तो प्राप्ति is happening automatically and the rest of the part is आपको करना है. It's a mix, right? This sentence, I don't know.
So okay, wait. Is it kartrivachya or karmavachya or bhavavachya?
See, it is not kartrivachya because you'll have to have tritiya in
Correct.
kartrivachya.
Tritiya? Why tritiya?
No,
That is in karmavachya.
yeah, in karmavachya. That's what I'm saying. It is not kartrivachya. It's not karmavachya because you need it in tritiya. So it is not that.
See, okay. Guru is prathama ekvachana. Prapta is also prathama ekvachana. So really this kriyapada is following guru. So either when the kriyapada follows karta, this will be kartrivachya. When the kriyapada follows karma, it is karmavachya. Right? So now is guru karta or karma? Agar if we are saying वाचम उच्चार्य शुकम संत्यज्य वेदम अधीत्य ऋचम प्रोच्य ये सब करके गुरु को प्राप्त है. व्हाट विल इट बी? इट विल बी गुरु को प्राप्त कर रहे हैं. जैसे परीक्ष्य लोकान. इट इज लाइक परीक्ष्य लोकान ना. लोकान परीक्ष्य कर्मचितान ब्राह्मणः निर्वेद माया नास्ति अकृत कृतेन. देयर दैट परीक्ष्य इज लाइक you have लप्रते you have to take परीक्ष्य. So there also what they say, Brahmana did pariksha of loka, then he went to guru, like that. Vacham ucharya, ye sab karke somebody went to guru prapta. You see in this abhyasa, you see here कर्म वाच्य में कर्म मुख्य होते हैं. सो कर्म वाच्य में क्या होता है? कर्ता के अनुसार कुछ नहीं. कर्मवाच्य की पहचान है कर्ता में तृतीया, कर्म में प्रथमा, क्रिया कर्म के अनुसार. सो हियर यू सी ओनली दिस. कर्म में प्रथमा, क्रिया कर्म के अनुसार. दे हैव गिवन दिस फॉर कर्मवाच्य. ओके. एंड फॉर कर्तृवाच्य दे हैव गिवन कर्ता में प्रथमा और कर्म में द्वितीया. यहाँ पे गुरु इज इन प्रथमा. सो द क्वेश्चन नाउ इज गुरु कर्ता और गुरु इज कर्म. व्हाट विल बी? व्हाट इज योर गेस? इज गुरु कर्ता और कर्म? Karma. So will it be kartrivachya, karmavachya, bhavavachya?
Kartrivachya then. Because there is karma. Bhavavachya will not have karma.
So bhavavachya is half. Correct. Bhavavachya will not have karma. Here guru's karma is there. So it is not bhavavachya. So either kartrivachya or karmavachya. Why
kartrivachya? No tritiya?
No tritiya is correct. But कर्ता नहीं है ना. That is all. See, for example, कर्ता प्रथमा में है in कर्तृवाच्य. Is the karta and prathama in this vachya? Guru.
We have to do some adhyahara. We will take shishya, guru, prapta. We can say in bracket like that.
Okay, then karma will be in dvitiya, right?
Yes.
It is not guru prapta.
Correct. So it is. So that then is it kartrivachya or not?
Then no kartrivachya.
Correct.
But then karmavachya should also not be there.
Why? Karta you are doing adhyahara, na? You said correctly karta adhyahara we are doing for kartrivachya. Why shouldn't we do karta adhyahara for karmavachya? Instead, they could have said shishyena, guruhu praptaha. Karma is in prathama, kriya karma ke anusar. They could have said shishyena, they didn't say. But we are assuming. Guru is karma, that is correct. And in karmavachya, kriya will go according to karma. and karma will be in pratama. Here they have been guruhu. So guru is karma and guru is in pratama. So of course it is karma vachya. If guru is karma and guru is in pratama, karma is in pratama only in karma vachya. If karma vachya is there, then tritiya vibhakti should come. So which word is missing?
Karma vachya in that case.
Correct. So some word is missing. Which word?
That, as you said, Shishya Prapta.
Shishya is missing.
Which word? Shishya. Which one?
Shishya. So as you said, that kind of adhyara can be done.
Shishyena. So Dr. Sumanjay's guess is Shishyena is missing. Does anybody disagree with this?
कर्ता में तृतीय.
हाँ. Karta में तृतीय, so Shishyena. Is that correct or wrong? Does anyone disagree with it?
If we look at Vacham, Shucham, Vedam, then it should be like Shishya.
Like Vacham Ucharya. See, Vacham Ucharya. Somebody is doing Ucharana of Vacha. Right? Shucham Santyajya. They are doing Tyajna Tyaktva. So giving up Chodkar of Shoka. Vedam Aditya. Study of Veda. Richam Prochya. Ucharana of Richa. And then what they do? After doing all this, they go to Guru.
So if we look at sentence 2, Ramam Ahuya Samyak Vicharya. So it's not like that. It is not Ahuya.
Here Guru is Guru Prishtavan. So here Guru is Karta. But here Guru is Karma. That's the difference, right? Guru Prishtavan.
I think just Shishya hona chahiye.
Why Shishya? In Karma Vachya, Karta will be in Tritiya. Right? Karma Vachya's the Lakshana is Karta mein Tritiya, Karma mein Pratama, Kriya Karma ke anusar. Karta will be in Tritiya, Karma is in Pratama, and Kriya will be according to Karma. Here, Karta is not there, but Karma is in Pratama and Kriya is according to Karma. So we are saying it is Karma Vachya. So Karta will be in Tritiya.
Ramena, Shishyena. Okay.
Satya.
Yeah.
So Dr. Sumanjay ji said Shishyena. Does anyone disagree with it?
I think we have to agree now.
Yes, it is correct. It is correct. We have to agree. Why? It is correct. Satyam, Bahu Samyak. So little bit they have confused like this, They want us to do some vichar. Here Guru is Karta and here Guru is Karma. This is the difference. So here Guru Prishtavan, here Guru Praptaha. But Guru will not, we cannot take Karta, Kartravachya here just like second one, because what is Guru going to attain? You have to go and attain Guru. Na? So that is the difference. So Shishya is doing all this, then attains Guru. In that way they have it.
Correct. We will go with Tatparya and figure out our own way.
Yes. Yes.
We won't go with Vachyartha.
Yes. Correct. Vachyartha is also correct, except they have done Adhyahara of that Shabda, like was correctly said. Shishyena has just been given. It should be there. Astu. Chaturtha. Kim bhavishyati?
छात्र अग्नि में यज्ञ करता है, यज्ञ करे, यज्ञ करना चाहिए, यज्ञ किया, यज्ञ अथवा यज्ञ करेगा.
Satya, Samyak, Bahu Samyak, Juhuyat. Which lakara? Juhuyat? Vidilim. Satya, Bahu Samyak. Juhoti, Juhotu, Juhuyat, Ajuhot, Bhoshyat. So Chatraha Agnau. They could have made it Chatrognau, right? Is that correct?
This is Saptami, Agnau, I think. Agni me.
That is correct. But no, Chatraha, Visarga and Akara. They could have made it Chatrognav.
Yes.
Does everyone agree with this?
Yes, I think they can. But we have this thing, no, that Sandhi can be Vikalpa or something. No.
Sandhi can be, but Visarga Sandhi generally, that is Sandhi can be Vikalpa while learning. But to be really correct, wherever Sandhi is necessary, we have to do it. Like even here, for example, this here, they have not done Sandhi, Mohanaswara. But Ideally, they should do it. Vedam aditya. That is the way to do it. But they have not done that. So here also, ideally we should. Chatrognav. But for us to learn, they have kept like this.
That Ror Apluta, right? That
Correct.
will come.
Satyam. Ator or apluta
Ator
aplute.
Ror Apluta.
Samyak. Bahu samyak. Correct. So that sutra will come here. Ator or apluta aplute should act.
Actually,
But he has very well memorized these sutras. Very well.
We've done so many times, especially this Ator or apluta aplute, that thankfully it has stayed in the head.
you know, in the first sentence, see this Rama Atra Gataha. So here we have the Avagraha.
Correct. Good catch, Sundarji. Why should they make only here and not here?
Yeah, but if we take the first one as Adguna does not have Avagraha.
No, this is not Adguna. Why is it Adguna?
Because it will be Ramaha. No, it will be Ramaha and Atra, right? Correct. So it won't be Adguna.
So it will be
It will be this Ator or Apluta.
Satyam. Both places is the same Sandhi. But
Both
one
Sandhi
place
same.
they have done Sandhi Karya, one place they have not.
Lazy.
Maybe they want us to think, they learn both ways. That could be a reason. Ramo atra agataha. Atra agataha akasavarni dirgha. Sandhi. Astu, Sanskrit banao. We can go a little quick here because there is a lot, but it is easy. It is not very difficult. Guruji ko jal laakar do. Kim bhavishyati?
So we said we have to use Bahuvachanam, right? So we will say Gurun.
Gurun?
Gurun Jalam Praniya Nayati, to bring. So Gurun Jalam Praniya and give. So Tatsva.
Yacha is correct.
Yacha.
Yacha is correct. Then you can also say Dehi.
Dadatu. Dada Dehi, but Dadatu.
Da will be Dehi, na?
Dehi.
Da will become Dehi, and then also you can also say Dadatu in lot. Dadatu or Diyatam. Diyatam in Vidhiling is also
Yeah, so I first wrote Dehi and then I cut it.
And also instead of Praniya, you can just say Aniya. Ang upasarga puro. Jalam Anaya, वैसे ना? Jalam Anaya, Gam Anaya. That thing has been coming recently in our which class? Vedanta Paribhasha or something. Gam Anaya. That Anaya we can do here. Jalam Anaya.
So here you would say Aniya.
Aniya, Satyam. Aniya because of that Lyap Pratyay. So it will become Aniya, Yacha or Dadatu or whatever.
Yeah.
Aso, Dvitiya.
Samen Patitva Pariksham Cha Uttiriya Agrime or Agrimam Shrenyam Patha.
Agrimayam, I think it will. Agrimayam Shrenyam Pata, Satyam, Bahu Samyak. And here, Shramena Patitva Tvapratyaya. Pariksha Uttirya Lyapratyaya. If I want to make Patitva also Lyapratyaya, what will I do? What should I do? What is an option?
Sampatya.
Satyam, Bahu Samyak. Bahu Samyak asti. Sampatya, correct. सम्यक पठ्य क्योंकि यहाँ पे परीक्षा उत्तीर्ण करना है ना सो इफ आई वांट टू पास परीक्षा आई हैव टू डू गुड स्टडी तो सम्यक पठित्वा संपठ्य सम्यम हाँ समीचीनम् अस्तु तृतीय यू कैन जस्ट डू दिस एंड आई विल से द रेस्ट इट इज लॉन्ग व्हाट विल दिस बी
राजा शत्रु संहार्य
for samhar shabda hasvasya samhritya
Samhritya.
this rakara will become r ह्रस्वस्य पीति कृति तुक् and tuk agama will come. So samhritya. Raja shatrum samhritya dushtam prahritya.
No, dushte, no, dushtpar.
नहीं दुष्ट पर दुर्जनम यू कैन से दुष्ट पर मतलब यहाँ पे वी हैव टू टेक द्वितीया
सप्तमी दुष्ट पर लाइक मे पर
हाँ बट इट डजंट मेक सेंस ना सी लिटरल ट्रांसलेशन यू कैन नॉट टेक एवरीवेयर
ओके सो दुष्टम प्रहृत्य
दुर्जनम प्रहृत्य दुष्टम प्रहृत्य गुणियों को उपकार कर गुणियों गुणान यू कैन गुणिनः गुणियों को ना गुणियों का षष्ठी गुणिनः उपकृत्य now I have a question
or can you say sagunasya
sagunasya guniyon ka nahi sa will come where you want to say saha along with like janakena saha sa janaka vikalpena saha sa vikalpa savikalpa samadhi vikalpena saha
correct. No, here I thought with guna, so therefore guna.
No, so you can say with guna, but then you cannot use upakar. है ना? You cannot do something with guna, right? You can get guna, you can do that guna. गुणियों का उपकार, गुणिनः उपकृत्य, पापियों का अपकार. So पापिनो अपकृत्य, पापिनः अपकृत्य. So papinah and apa will get ator or plutada plute sandhi and you will get avagraha. Papino upakritya. Guninaha and upakritya. Here visarga lopa will happen. Gunina upakritya. Then sukancha anubhuya. Brahmanam dattan dehi. Dhanan dehi. वाणिक अन्न और पुस्तक बेचकर किम भविष्यति वाणिक
Vanik will remain that, no? Vanikaha?
Vanik is correct. Vanikau, Vanikaha. So Vanik only.
Vanik.
Annam pustakam cha iya, dhanam sankriya, danam इनसे तत्वा but
हाँ एक निमिष by the way I don't know where it's coming from but lot of background noise but before that one question annam pustakam you said what did you say Dr. Sumanjay ji
I said annam pustakam cha vikriya
why vikriya
vikraya we do
correct no it is correct kri dhatu will be to buy so bech will be to vik vi upasarga purva kri dhatu vikriya satya it is correct sorry and then dhanam samrithya then danam datva
what we will do आत्माभिलाषान् पूरयित्वा सुखेन स्वपिति
correct atmabhilashan you can say or Sundar ji had suggested today we should do cha pratyaya if I do cha pratyaya here so okay before that vanik annam pustakancha vikriya dhanam samhritya danam pradaya और दत्वा अपनी अभिलाषाओं को you can say okay so cha pratyaya there is one pratyaya right cha if I use cha pratyaya what will I say what can I say I give an example in turiya shabda there is cha pratyaya jagrat swapna sushruti turiya in that turiya there is cha pratyaya basically gives this form at the end iya Swakiya. Satyam.
We can use Swakiya.
Correct. Swakiya. Swakiya Abhilashan, you can say.
Or it will be, I think, Strilinga. So I made a mistake. Abhilashaha.
Correct.
That way.
Swakiya Abhilashaha. But here, there is one thing. I think in Sanskrit, Abhilasha is Pullinga Shabda. You have to check that. You
No,
can.
it is Strilinga.
Is it Strilinga?
I think so. I checked that.
I had
Okay.
classmates with that name who were Strilinga. I just went with that guess.
Yeah, actually, I also assumed it is Strilinga, but I heard somewhere that Abhilasha is Pullinga. So I am not sure. You see?
Might have,
You see
might
the-
have-
No, you see. Abhilash, Akaranta Pullinga.
Oh,
Okay.
interesting.
So Abhilashan it will become. Dvitiya Bahuvachan. Swakiya Abhilashan Purnam Kar. Purnakar. Purnakar.
Purya. So, Purya.
Prapurya.
Prapurya.
Generally, you know, these pra some upasargas, they are very useful in such contexts where we don't know which upasarga to use. Pra, some, these are all good upasargas in that way. Prapurya. सुख से सोता है सुखे न शेते और शेरते
Shete.
शेते so
Sherate is to go down.
हाँ and शेरंते will be to शेरंते will be for what
Sherante में सोते हैं. बहुवचनम, no?
Sherate is Bahuvachanam. There is no Sherate.
correct that was the trick question today in Bradanyaka शेरते is बहुवचन शेते शेराते शेरते शेरंते is not a shabd शेरते so सुखे न शेरते पंचमा बालक उठकर ऋचा पढ़ता है You can do
Sorry.
this.
Before we go, because we touched on the chirp.
हाँ correctly thank you for
Can we just
reminding
look
yes
at a bit
yes
of niyamas and what it actually does? to
yes
us?
yes absolutely thank you for reminding cha pratyaya this is a pratyaya that does not come in Rachananvada Kaumudi this is not
So we
covered
start with the number.
number this cha pratyaya number we have to see I don't think there is an explicit vidhayaka sutra actually for cha pratyaya there will be something but it is not well known what is really well known is what action it does so or you can even do this this you can use as the vidhayaka mukhya sutra anyway 712 ayane yi ni yaha padha ka cha gham pratyayadinam so this one sutra talks about all these pratyas you see padha ka cha gha and here this cha will become e so when you say swakiya turiya puriya not puriya parakiya etc this iya rupa is coming this iya is coming through cha but there is an important point here so here you see e yakara has halanta if it is yes then it will become a different pratyaya yasun pratyaya so you and yasun pratyaya rupa will be similar to swakiya parakiya so you have to see what is the next shabda
Okay. One second. So the chirp pratyaya when we say, we are talking about the cha as in Chhatri, not as in, not the first cha.
no it is dirgha cha big cha big cha not char it is chhatra that cha pratyaya padha kha cha cha
इनको दीर्घ कहते हैं क्या?
no not really I don't think you can say dirgha the word we use is that heavy na you can say guru if you want
कठोर हो सकता है.
kathor that is correct that way you can say that cha pratyaya that rupa will be iya rupa so this is the important sutra this sutra I am sure we would have heard in Vedanta classes last 1 year again 10 times this sutra
So just to be clear, as long as kru, bhu and or as dhatu is not there, and you got the dirgha e, then we are in cha pratyaya domain.
before that in cha pratyaya the yakara will come swakiya
Swakiya.
Yakara is there. In Chvi Pratyaya there is no Yakara. Whether Askri Bhu is there or not there. It will only be Aspadi Bhuta. There is no Yakara there. Or Swikritya. That is a better example. Swikritya and Swakiya. Swikritya is coming because of Lyap Pratyaya, that Yakara. Here the Yakara is not from Chvi. It is from, or Lyap. It is from Cha.
Swakiya. So our identification of Cha Pratyaya is to look for that Iya.
Correct. Iya. Cha will give Iya.
Iya. Okay.
Yes. And if it is Tya, then Lyapka. And if it is just E, Dirgha, Chvi Pratyaya. Okay.
With Chauchu.
Chwaucha. Cha. In Chvi also. So Chvi Saptami Ekavachanam will be Chwau. Jaise Bhumi is Bhumau. Ratri is Ratrau. Jaise Chvi will be Chwau. So Chwaucha. Okay. बालक उठकर ऋचा पढ़ता है. Go little quickly. बालकः उत्थाय. You can say उत्थाय. गुरु को प्रणाम कर गुरुम प्रणम्य सुंदर वचन उच्चारण कर सुंदर वचनम उच्चार्य और यू कैन से शोभन वचनम उच्चार्य विद्यालय में आकर विद्यालयम आगत्य ऋचा पठति. शिष्य रात्रि में सोकर शिष्य रात्रौ सुप्त्वा and then we'll have to say पुस्तक लेकर पढ़ने के लिए जाता है. कैसे बोलेंगे? हाउ टू से? एंड इवन वन मोर. हाउ वुड यू से अन्य छात्रों को उठाकर? दैट ऑल्सो इज अ गुड क्वेश्चन. शिष्यः. Can you hear me? Can everyone hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
शिष्यः रात्रि में will be सप्तमी एकवचनम. जैसे च्वी इज च्वौ, जैसे रात्रि इज रात्रौ. रात्रौ सुप्त्वा प्रातः उठकर. प्रातः उत्थाय. सत्यम. And here, how do you say this?
अन्यान् छात्रान् उत्थाप्य. I don't know.
Sorry, what did you say?
Utthapya. I don't know exactly.
Close, very close. So when there is ut upasarga and stha dhatu. Utthapya. Which sutra?
Sutra. I'm very bad.
So this is true. So sakara will get lopa here. That sakara will become thakara basically. Sutra is Sundarji, you have a list, right? Sundarji has dropped off. Yeah. So there is a sutra here we can see. Udaha sastamboho purvasya. This sutra basically says, this is an important sutra in terms of Vedanta. Why? Because Anandagiri Acharya loves this sutra. Utthapya shabda utthaya, vrittam utthaya. So many places he uses this utthaya, utthapya, utthapa, etc. Utplasta. So when you have ut upasarga purvak stha dhatu or stambh dhatu, sakara will get lopa. Udaha stastamboho purvasya. And then you said utthapya. Pakara. Why pakara? Where does it come from? Pakara. Jaise how we say, I can give an example. If you need a hint, I give an example. Pakara has come from somewhere. How we say? Nyapayati. Sthapayati. That pakara came from a sutra called
Sthapayati
Correct. That is correct. Sthapayati nich pratyaya is correct. So where that pakara came, it is only stha dhatu, right? Stha plus I nich pratyaya mein. Why beech mein the pakara has to come? Arti hri vli rik nuik shmai yatam pungnav. Long sudra but important. Huh? Arti hri vli rik nu ik shmai yatam pungnav. In all these places pakara will come. So you see example in Kashika, there again hri will be repayati, vri vlepayati, ri repayati, knui knopayati. Here you can also say stha sthapayati, nya nyapayati. How Ajatashatru Raja says, Brahmate nyapayishyami. I will make you remember. So that pakara came from Arti Hrivli Riknuik Shmayatam Pum. Astu. Snanakar. Snankar. How to say?
Snatva.
Snatva. Satyam. Or with lyaprate if you want to say.
Sorry, what is the question?
With lyap pratyaya.
With lyap pratyaya, it will be
Some snai. Maybe you can.
Samsnatya.
Samsnatya, prasnatya you can say. But snatva is very natural. It sounds natural, so I think snatva is okay. Prasnaya, I think actually takara will not come here. It will become snaya. Prasnaya, sansnaya, that is correct for sna dhatu. Because they had said all dhatus ending in akara, da, sna, pa, all these will not get anything, just here will get added. You know where this came? This came, हाँ जैसे you see धातु के अंत में आ ई उ हो तो वह उसी रूप में रहता है, जैसे प्रधाय, उत्थाय, same way, prasnaya, snadhat.
Correct.
And havankar will be juhotya.
Juhotya.
Or prahu, sorry, hu hot will not come, hu dhatu will come, hu ya rupa will come. So prahutya, prahuya you can say, prahuya. And bhojankar bhuktva, bhojanam bhuktva.
Prahuya is because again of that U is there. Like that.
Correct. Hu dhatu will come na here. So hu will just stay the same. Prahuya. And then bhojanam kar will be bhojanam bhuktva. पुस्तक लेकर पुस्तक मानी है पढ़ने के लिए जाता है पठनस्य कृतः और पठितुम सत्यम पठितुम पठनाय all of this patanasya all of this correct पठितुम is probably the best because you have seen तुमुन प्रति पठितुम गच्छति वह सायंकाल खेल कर सह नक्तम और रात्रौ क्रीडित्वा
Even Sayankal is okay, right?
हाँ सायंकाले also हाँ सायंकाले क्रीडित्वा घूमकर भ्रमित्वा हाँ then हाँ then भुक्त्वा ऋचा पढ़कर
not bhuktva right
भुक्त्वा हाँ not भुक्त्वा भुक्त्वा
richa pathit
ऋचाम ऋचम ऋचम ऋचा ऋचौ ऋचाः ऋचम ऋचौ ऋचा ऋचम पठित्वा सोता है स्वपिति सत्यम स्वपिति और शेते should I say शेते or शेरते this is the question शेते शेराते शेरते so शेते is pratama ekachanam sherante is not a shabda
But the Richa, is it Pullinga or Strilinga?
You can check I think it is pullinga
most likely pullinga
Rich.
but this rakara here is a little difficult to type so we'll have to
Akashim's arti reebli
हाँ.
this one can you tell the sutra number
Sutra 7336
oh 736 okay sorry thanks
Arti Hirivuli reach Mayatam Pumna. But here for this Richa Rihalonyat Touch Sutra, Vahase we can take Rikara, because I don't know how to type this Rikara in this keyboard.
I know.
So I'm going to copy paste from somewhere else. We can do from here. This sutra is there. Copy. And then we go to Shabda Patha. Paste. Rich is Strilinga. Satyam. Correct, Sundar. So it will be Richam. Oh, this also will be Richam only. Rik, Richau, Richaha. Richam, Richau, Richaha. Because it is not Akaranta Strilinga. It is Chakaranta Strilinga. Because it is Chakaranta Strilinga, it will follow this rupa. Rig, Richau, Richaha. Richam, Richau, Richaha. So it will be Richam only, not Richam. Richam. So most of these things will become very instinctive after a while. After you read a little bit. Hanji.
Have we also looked at the Stri Pratyaya still now? As in
No, not yet. Neep, tap and all we are not seen yet. I mean, those are the basic ones. There will be more. They will come, I think, later. I think there is an abhyasa for Sri Pratyaya here later on. Shok ko chodkar, Shucham, that what they have given there. Shuchan tyaktva, Shuchan santyajye, Vani kaho, Vadatu, Vada, Bruhi, Bruhi, Satyam. All that is correct. And now these birds have come. कोयल और कौवे के पंख काले होते हैं. कोकिलस्य काकस्य च.
I think we can skip this. We can go to the. I think
we will see quickly. We'll just go very quickly. Kokilasya kakasya cha pankhe. So pankha will be Dvasuparna, Sayuja, Sakaya, Parna. That is from Mundaka Upanishad, right? Dvasuparna, Sayuja, Sakaya. Then
Samanam Vishwam Parishatva Jate.
Satyam. This also Tayoranya Pipalam Swab Vatvanashnanyanyo Abhichakashiti. This in Vedanta classes it comes a lot. Even this year Swamiji has asked 3-4 times this month. Mundaka 311, I think, right? I think it is third Mundaka. Not sure. Anyway, Kokilasya Kakasya cha.
Yes, it's towards the end.
I think this is Tritiya Mundaka Pratama Mantra. I'm not sure. Okay. Kokilasya Kakasya cha Pankha. So Paranam, Krishna, Santi. Bhavanti, whatever. Mayuraha, Natva, Nartitva, Hamsaha, Chalitva, Tota is what?
Paditva.
Correct, but Tota is what? What is Tota?
Or Tota is
Shukaha.
Shukadeva, Ajikaya Shukha.
Shuka Vaditva, Chatak, I think is Chatak only. Chatakaha, Megham Pashyati. Megham Drishtva, Khanjana Udkar, Khanjana Udiya, Kabutar, Kapotaha, Chillaha, Bagula is what? Bakaha or Bhaja is Shena. There is a Shena Yaga. That Bhaja Shenaha Swakiya Kridam. Apni Krida. Again, Cha Pratyaya can come here. Swakiya Kridam Man ko harate hain. So this will be Manam Haranti. Mano Haranti. Manaha Haranti. Ramanti. Correct. Maina Balti hai. Bolti hai na. They made this problem and there's a slight mistake in print.
Yeah.
Should be bolti hai.
Yeah, she's making her hair or something.
Maina Vadati. Battak is the duck. Battak Vartika idhar aati. Atra agachati. Chidiya क्या अस्ति? क्या है? चिड़िया चटका. चटका कहाँ है? चिड़िया उड़ती है. उड्डयते. चटका उड्डयते. उल्लू कहा उल्लू कहा क्रंदते और क्रोशते, शाउटिंग, चिल्लाता है. and then gridraha pashyati, murga kukuraha dhavati, chakva है क्या?
हाँ
Kukuraha, sorry, kukuta, satya, kukura will be dog. Kukutaha dhavati, chakva क्या है सी? चक्रवाका रात्रौ रोता है, रोदिति. टिटिबह उड़ती है, उड्डयति. So anyway, this is all just for some our own understanding. वह अग्नि, सहा, हाँ, what will this be? वह अग्नि में हवन करता है, किम भविष्यति?
जो होती है अभी हमने किया ना वही वाक्य.
सत्यम, हाँ, अग्नौ. So full will be saha agnau. Can you do sandhi here? Saha plus agnau, किम भविष्यति? So gnau, satyam. Sandhi sutra? हाँ, samyak. You see, it only requires twice hearing or once saying, and then it sticks in the head.
And then it should come in the same exercise.
हाँ, correct. You got lucky. So now जुहोति. तू हवन करता है. तू जुहोषि. सत्यम. Then अहम जुहोमि. सह जुहुयात्. स जुहुयात्. Then तू हवन करे. किम भविष्यति? जुहोतु. सत्यम. हाँ, उसने हवन किया. अथवा see जुहुयात् is विधिलिंग, right? जुहोतु is लोट. Ideally we will have some consistency here. If I say जुहुयात्, I can say tu जुहोदी. Sorry, if I say जुहुयात्, I can say what will I say? जुहुयाहा, है ना? जुहुयात्, जुहुयुः, जुहुयाहा. That will be विधिलिंग. Or I will say जुहोतु and जुहुदी, in that way. Sa जुहोतु, त्वम जुहुदी. That will be lot. विधिलिंग lot. Both can be used here. उसने हवन किया. स अजुहोत अथवा जुहोति स्म. करेक्ट. अथवा today just came, right? जहल लक्षणा. That is this only. जहल लक्षणा में जहत जो है ना, I think that is हु धातु, right? निष्ठा प्रत्यय.
What is the dhatu, by the way, for this Vibhuti I forget?
हु धातु.
Okay.
But where it's not coming? Why not?
So can we use tavatu pratyaya also?
हाँ, you can, of course. So that was the next question, but first I want to check if this is the same as the Jahal Lakshana. This Hu Dhatu, Hu Dana, you have to know this also nowadays. Hu Dana Danayoho Adane Prina nature. So here if I want to say Kridanta and I go to Kta Pratyaya, you see Hutaha, sorry, not Jahal. Hutaha, Shatru Pratyaya will be Juhvat. Okay, so it will be Hutaha or Hutavan. Both are correct. Sa Ajuhot, Sa Juhoti Sma, Sa Hutaha, Sa Hutavan. All will be correct.
This is a very different number to what we are used to. We are used to numbers in 3 breaks, right?
3 breaks?
0, 3. I mean, like 3.1,
Acha,
3.20.
हाँ. In Dhatu Pata, numbers are very difficult to know. I mean, I don't know numbers in Dhatu Pata. Dhatu only.
Okay, so दूसरा पाठ के number है. These are Dhatu Pata.
That I think is better. Yeah. Dhatu Pata is better to understand. Remember only the Dhatu. Anyway, then उसने हवन किया, मैंने हवन किया, same thing you can say. और अहम आजुहुवम ना, आजुहवम I think. आजुहवम और आजाहवम, right?
No,
आजुहवम.
Yeah.
हाँ, okay, आजाहवम. Then वह हवन करेगा. This will be होष्यति and होष्यामि. आदत्य आधीय उत्तीर्त्वा. It's become adhaya adhitya. So here the question is this one. Adhiya has become adhitya. Why?
Yeah, because the Tya has come in.
Correct. Takara has come. Why?
Because the I, E, U is something not there. That's what keeps it as it is like now.
Takara, जैसे कृत्वा, कृ धातु में कृत्वा, संकृत्य.
Yeah, it says here,
आबा.
ह्रस्व आ, ई, ऊ, रू के बाद युक्त से पहले त लग जाता है.
सूत्र. What is सूत्र?
The ह्रस्व प्रीति कृति.
हाँ. ह्रस्वस्य प्रीति कृति तुक. That sutra is acting. So there that takara will come. Adi, aditya, and same for samhritya, upakritya, everything. ह्रस्वस्य कृति प्रति तुक. ग को बहुवचन.
आपको रोबस्ट सूत्र वाली वो चाहिए है डॉक्यूमेंट.
हाँ. सो ग को बहुवचन वाच शुद्ध स्वच्छ रिच पूरे रूप लिखना. ये बाद में आप कर सकते हैं. धातु को लप्य ल्यप प्रत्यय. दिस वी कैन डू. सो अनुभूय उपकृत्य संस्कृत्य संहृ. व्हाट विल इट बी?
There will be some samhritya,
देन
then ahritya,
Then-
ahriya,
आह्र विल बी आहृत्य.
ahritya,
हाँ. देन
and prahritya.
प्रहृत्य. ऑल दीस आर सेम. आधि ई.
Aditya, no.
हाँ करेक्ट. आदित्य. आनी.
Aniya,
Aniya,
देन
Uttirya, Avatirya, Sangamya, Adaya, Utthapya.
उत्थाप्य.
one second. Utthapya is when you have to do nich also. Here nich is not there. It is only uttha. So here it is only utthaya.
thaya.
Utthaya is enough. But here when you, this is to wake up, right? If you want to wake somebody else up, then you will say utthapya.
Yeah, there was one sentence like that, no?
Here both are there. हाँ both are there here.
हाँ, मैं
ये देखिए.
उठकर दूसरों को उठाकर.
Correct. Here प्रातः उठकर will be उत्थाय. अन्य छात्रों का उठाकर उत्थाप्य.
उठाप्य.
So उत्थाय, उत्था, अनुवद. Then
Anudya,
अनुद्य. सत्यम. अनुद्य में क्या कार्य है? What कार्य is happening in अनुद्य?
संप्रसारण.
Yes,
Correct.
correct. So अनुद्य में what is the dhatu? What is the dhatu? हाँ.
Dhatu is Vad.
Vad. So vad has become u, and the sutra. Samprasaranam is correct. What is the Samprasaranam sutra? See, we are actually
Vachasrupi yadadina.
vachi. Vachi, swapi, vachi. Because saptami will come all these places, you know. Vach will become vachi in that way. Vachi, swapi, yajadina, giti. So all of this, you know, this is all Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi, Ashtadhyayi kind of questions, and we are good at this. So we are already doing well. Adhivas. Adhivas. Again, vas dhatu. Vas dhatu will get samprasad.
Yes.
So vas will become usha.
E plus O. It will be.
Correct.
Then पूर्ण संधि होगी क्या?
नहीं, उसके पहले ई उ will become u. E plus u, u. Ikoyanachi. Ikoyanachi sandhi. Yana sandhi. Adhyush will become. Ahve. Why bapre? Adhi plus u. E u will become u. That's all. No? Ahve. Ahvaya. Or ahuya. Sorry. Ahuya. Ahan. Ahatya. Vichari. Vicharya. And then Utthapi will be Utthapya. You see, this is the difference. Utthaya, Utthapya. ग को बहुवचन अग्नि में हवन करता है एक्सेट्रा. जुहोति will just become that बहुवचन. जुहोति, जुह्वन्ति, I think it will be right.
Juhoti, juhutaha.
जुह्वति, जुह्वति. Correct. Juhvati it will become. Juhoti will become Juhvati. Juhomi will become Juhumaha. Juhotu will become Juhvatu, etc. Ajuhot, Ajuhavuhu. Juhudhi will become Juhuta. Juhotu will become Juhvatu. Juhudhi is Madhyama Purusha. Satya. So in this way, Ga ko Bahuvachan we have done. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyatau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagini Vyomavadvyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Om